Are you getting mommy's shoes out of the closet? Are you going to put them on? Where are you going? Oh, you're going to close the door? The shoes? Are you going to put it on your foot? No, you don't want that one? You say, what's this? And throw it? You found a sandal? No, you don't like that one either? No. Okay. Where are you going? You find more shoes in there? No, don't shake the door. Oh, you got a tampon, huh?
Go.
Go. Good girl. Now what are you doing? No, you don't need that. Yucky. Yucky. Say hi. Can you say hi? Hey, give me that. Give me that tissue.
Go. Go.